Okay, guys, Lawrence here. From today until the end of the semester, we're gonna do our third components of this course, YARN, Y-A-R-N. Again, this will be the last topic for this course. Same way, I'm gonna record a series of videos, recorded lecturing videos, and then keep posted to you, and you can use it as a guidance for your studying of this topic. The material we use is the textbook chapter 4, as is shown on the screen. Okay. Okay, let's get started. This first video, we're gonna have a quick introduction for this components. What is YARN? In short, YARN is the resource management subsystem of Hadoop. We have learned MapReduce and HDFS. MapReduce is the distributed computing framework. HDFS is the storage subsystem for Hadoop. YARN, which is so YARN is for Hadoop resource management. YARN, first of all, the full name, YARN is the short name. The full name is called Yet Another Resource Negotiator. Okay. So let's get to figure 4.1, YARN application. So in this figure, first we need to understand the position of YARN. Where is YARN located in the HDFS fundamental components framework? As you see, we use these 3 layers structure to understand the Hadoop component structure. YARN located just in the middle between MapReduce and HDFS. So MapReduce will rely on YARN. And YARN, when it runs, you're going to rely on HDFS. What it means, a little bit more details to help you understand it better. HDFS is the fundamental storage management. Okay, first of all, we need to store the super large files. Okay, so HDFS is good enough to simply store the file there. Okay, but at the same time, when we save the super large file onto our Hadoop cluster, what we eventually want to do is to do the computation or analysis of on the data. So build on this storage, we already have a storage solution. Now, how are we gonna do? We're gonna run the computation on it. So YARN and MapReduce are gonna work together to do the analysis. As you see, the title before the 3 layers, the YARN is called the compute layer or computation layer. Okay. The YARN are gonna in charge of managing the CPU time, the memory, all these resources. How do we distribute the computation power among multiple applications? Okay. So in your typical cluster, you may have many MapReduce applications running at the same time, and how your CPU and memory should be fairly distributed among all those running MapReduce applications. The answer is provided by YARN. The subsystem of YARN is in charge of fairly distributing the computing power among multiple applications. Okay, so this is how we look at it. Okay, this is the first video. Hope you get a good start about what is yarn, what is responsibility, and let's stop here and pick it up in the next video.